What's going on YouTube? Armani back you guys with a brand new video, and I was taught something a few weeks ago about C7 Z06s, especially 15s and 16s, which I didn't know, and I figured you guys would want to know that. And it involves a SD card. So, with further ado, let's get into that. So, you know how you have track performance mode on your car, right? But there's a camera in front of your car that tracks and shows you time, lap time, and speed per lap. All you need is put this SD card in your glove box, and I'm about to show you now. Alright, so you get in your car, make sure your car is on, open your glove box over here, slide your SD card right in this spot right here. See, right there. Press in, comes out, press it again. Now you go over to here and you go home and you click PDR. I don't have any videos as of now, but once I do, I'll add it in this video here, over clipping it. But then you go start recording or finish line, and you mark the finish line somewhere. And then video overlay, track, sport, this, that, and the third. Performance timing. And settings, valet mode recording, and software information. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have no videos right now, but as soon as I make one, probably going around the back roads of my neighborhood, I will do that. And you make a little video of it, and I'll drop it in somewhere in here as I'm talking to you guys right now. And also another thing I would like to do is probably detach the tinted part on my wing. So we're gonna do that in this video as well. I'm gonna time lapse that once I get started, so it won't be boring you guys. It's only 4 bolts, but turning the wrench on it will be redundant, so I don't want to bore you guys with that. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so this is the piece right here that I'm removing from my wing, because if you look through the rearview mirror and back here, you have like this much clearance of seeing what's behind you from this. So with that being said, I'm going to take it off and see how it looks. Even though I can raise it up or down, I'm gonna see if I can get away with taking it all the way off and just putting the screws back in. So let's see how that goes. Alright, let's see. Okay, so there's more to it than I thought, because it should just come right off. Alright. Huh. Let me see. We shall figure this out. Oh, so I had to take the whole thing off, because this is glued to that. Well, alright, I guess I'll figure that out another day. I was not in the cards for it. I thought I'd just take these 2 out and be done with it, but no, I was wrong. Alright, so since that didn't work, I am just going to try to take the whole thing off and see how it looks, even though it's going to look like a 1LZ, but just for video purposes and my curiosity, I'm going to do it anyway. So, full top part comes right off, same screws and everything. So I started this side already. Hopefully don't lose the screws. Don't lose the screws. If you lose the screws, you are cooked. Oh, also you need an Allen wrench to get these off. Also, don't strip them. Okay, you strip them, you're cooked. Again. On top of losing screws too. Yeah. My thing with screws, keep them in your hand. Try not to lose them or drop them. If you have a safe spot or a bag, put them to the side, do so. Do that. Alright, kind of loose over here. Let's see. Alright, that side is off. Alright. Ooh, yeah, well, since it's off, I'm going to clean that off anyways because it's all rocks and stuff behind there. See, I just put the screws down, but probably knowing me, I'm going to kick it. Hopefully not. End up kicking them on accident and losing them under the car, which is not going to be fun. Alright, get another one out there. Another one out here. Just don't need it scratching paint because I don't have PPF on this car yet. I'm gonna get it buffed and PPF'd, and maybe something else later on. So we'll see when the time gets there, and that'll most likely be a next year thing. Okay. Dag nabbit. Anyways, I hope you guys' day is going well, and I hope you guys are staying in the loop of these car laws now, saying that you're not allowed to, it is illegal to work on your own car now. Hopefully I don't get demonetized or fined for some reason for doing said thing to my car as of now, but yeah. Everything in the world now is a mess. Alright, so took that off. And the reason why I couldn't take it off the first time is because there is some adhesive between here and between this and this side piece. So if I wanted to, I had to get the adhesive off between these two in order for me to successfully detach this part. So yeah, and now it looks like a 1LZ. Well, it does have 3M tape on the back of there, but I'm going to go ahead and clean this off and then put it back on there. I'm glad I saw this or decided to do this because that needs to be done. That looks terrible. Alright, so now that this is all cleaned off now, and I cleaned off majority of this on this side, I'll put it back on there. And yeah, so effective. Actually, now that I think about it, these are adjustable, and the previous owner made it to where I can't adjust it because the adhesive is on there now. So if he didn't put the adhesive on there from the jump, or GM or whoever, I don't think GM would have done that, but he may have done that. Yeah, I think I would be able to adjust it if I didn't have to, didn't have the adhesive in there that's holding both of these together. So with that being said, let's put this thing back on. Sometimes I just hate when people slow roll by your house and make you think that they're watching you for some reason. I mean, yes, I have a red car and I'm doing something on my garage with a camera. And yes, I know it's not normal, but ooh, who cares? Mind your business. Keep going. Jesus. May the Lord be with you. Something like that. Oh, and last 3 here. And boom. Got that one. And one more. How did I go this whole time and get to the last screw and drop the thing? We're all human. It happens. About to crash out here. Alright, so now it's back on. So I'm glad I found that out now. So whenever I want to take that off, I have to find some adhesive remover to remove that adhesive between the stage 2 and the stage 3 for this. So, oh boy. Something to think about for another project for another day. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.